Cronos coin, you will regret it when it hits 50 cents. Is Cronos coin ready to explode, and what is currently going on with the price action right now? You don't want to miss out on this video. All I ask are two things from you: subscribe to the channel for daily Cronos coin news and like the video as well. So if we have a look at the 1-day chart, you can see that we are up by 3.36% and we are currently trading at 0.09925. Now the volume has come down by 16.33% and we are currently trading at 17.89 million. If we have a look at how we have been trading for today, you'll see that earlier on we were trading at a nice high of 0.0996 with 20.62 million in volume, so an increase of roughly 2 million in volume from where we are now. And then we did have a dip later on to the 0.09483. However, we have actually bounced back up from that, and then you can see over here we have been trading from that high level up of that 0.09839, and again even higher over here to 0.09993. What an absolute number, just nearly touching that 10-cent mark. So let's have a look at the 7-day chart and where Cronos coin is. It unfortunately is in the red. We actually are down by 16.43%. However, it has been holding strong. Now before I get into talking about that, you'll see over here on the 14th of November we were trading at a low of 0.08696, but you'll see that they had this massive rally all of the way up to that 10-cent mark, 0.1088, and that is where the volume pretty much doubled, as you can see, from 27 million to roughly about 62 million over here. And ever since, we have basically got this U curve going on, and we have been on the downtrend, but we have now consolidated for the past couple of days at that 9-cent mark. So why is this important, and why you may be potentially missing out on Cronos coin, especially when it hits that 50-cent mark? Well, as you can see on the 1-month chart, we are up by 94%. What an absolute whopping amount, right? You'll see over here on the 22nd of October, we were trading at that 5-cent level. Now if you remember, that 5-cent level was very key, and a lot of people actually bought the coin at this price. Now the volume was at 5 million, and of course when the price hit at 10 cents, we did see some profit taken, right? Our volume obviously increased quite a lot. It doubled by 5 cents. Therefore people were able to take an extra 50% in profits, and so they sold, and their plan was to basically get back into the coin when it goes back to 5 cents. Now currently we haven't seen the coin go back to 5 cents ever since we have seen that rally, and that is basically my justification as to why you could potentially be missing out with Cronos coin and its profits, especially if you don't buy it at these cheaper levels. Now obviously I'm not going to tell you at what price you should be buying Cronos coin at. I believe that should be your decision. However, if we have a look at the old time chart, you'll see over here where we did hit that 50-cent level, and again back in 2022 you'll see where we roughly were trading at around about 40 cents earlier on in the year, and then we fell to 20 cents. Now guys, you definitely don't want to be caught up in the areas where we go into a crypto bull market and you see Cronos coin going up from that 10-cent level to 50 cents to 20 cents and all of the way to 46 cents, and now you have realized that you have missed out on a lot of potential gains, and so then you buy Cronos coin at, for example, 46 cents with a price target of 50 cents, but you don't really have that much room to maneuver. So currently right now, when Cronos coin is below this 10-cent level, you basically have a low risk investment and high reward. Now of course Cronos coin, for example, could potentially go to 5 cents. There's no guarantee in that, right? Let's just put it like that. However, if you buy 100 coins at 5 cents, and even if we see that retracement, that's only $5, right? Which isn't even that much amount of money. But let's for instance say that you even buy it at this price. And so you know that's nearly touching towards that 10-cent level. If you buy 100 coins at this price, it's roughly around about that $9 to $10. And again, you are going to be having 100 coins for the price of $10, but you're going to see your investment basically 10x if you buy it at 5 cents to that 50-cent level, or 5x if you buy it at 10 cents and sell it at 50 cents. And so that's why you'll regret it and get caught up with not only the new crypto investors, but also the people that will be staying on the sidelines for Cronos coin and seeing it go up very gradually and very slowly. And then when it hits a price like 40 or 45 cents, that's when they'll get into Cronos coin, because a lot of people have been talking about that 50-cent level, but unfortunately now you are trapped in that bull run and you want to be making the gains when you are down below here, and that's where your entry point wants to be. You always want to be in the lower end of your entry point so you have more to maneuver. Now if we have a look at the overall crypto market, because Cronos coin has been stagnant a bit for the past 7 days, but I am happy that it is pretty much consolidating at that 9-cent level. You'll see over here that our volume has come down massively for the past 24 hours. we are currently down by nearly 30% and our volume is at 46.77 billion. Now, if you remember just a couple of days ago, this amount of volume was around about $76 billion. So as you already know, a lot of people are actually selling in the crypto market. People are taking their profits, which rightly so, they can do that, especially if they are day traders or if they just want to take profits on their investment. They don't have to be tied to anything. So again, Cronos coin is not really doing much right now. We have had some pieces of news for the past week which has been bullish for Cronos coin with regards to their new features and products on their platform, and also partnering up with the World Economic Forum. Guys, if you want daily Cronos coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.